What is substitution? How to solve a problem when it is substitution? You have to look at each equation and find the variable without a coefficient in front of it, or the variable that is equal to the rest of the equation. If the variable is not isolated, then set the variable equal to the rest of the equation. For example, if one of your equations is x equals 9y plus 2, then you should substitute 9y plus 2 into the other equation for x to solve for y. Once you get the solution for y, you plug that back into the equation to get x. Here are my two equations that I'm using to have an example for substitution. So it is x plus 2y equals 5, 2x plus 10y equals 22. So for what I'm doing here, I'm using the bottom equation over here to have 10 and minus 10 to both sides, so I can get what x is equal to. So once I subtract 10y to here and 10y to here, it will be 2x equals negative 10y plus 22. So I will have to divide 2 to cancel out with 2x. So it will be negative 10y divided by 2 plus, or just divided by 22 divided by 2. Then it will be x equals negative 5y plus 11. So I will plug in that equation for x over here. So then it will be negative 5y plus 11 plus 2y equals 5. So then it will be negative 3y plus 11 equals 5, because I put together these two. So then it will be negative 3y, because I have to add both the y's together. So then it will be, as I said, negative 3y plus 11 equals 5. So then I have to cancel both of these to 11 to both sides. So then it will be negative 3y equals negative 6. So then I have to divide to cancel. So then it'll be negative 3 and then negative 3. So then y equals 2. So then I will have to plug in 2 to the equation for y. And then 2x plus 10, and then you have to multiply 10 by 2 equals 22. So then 2x plus 20 equals 22. Then you have to cancel those to both sides. Then 2x equals 2, because 22 minus 20 is 2. Then you have to cancel that, so you have to divide. So then 2 divided by 2x, and then 2 divided by 2, and then x equals 1, and then your order pair is 1, 2.